Hello and welcome to today's tutorial. In this session, we'll solve a problem where we replace a hash in a string with digits such that the resulting number is divisible by 3. This program combines string manipulation with modular arithmetic. Let's get started. The problem involves replacing the hash in a string with digits from 0 to 9 and checking if the resulting number is divisible by 3. For example, in the string 2 hash 0, valid replacements for hash are 1, 4, 7, resulting in 210, 240, and 270. The program starts by splitting the string into characters and calculating the sum of digits. It identifies the position of the hash and replaces it with digits from 0 to 9. If the resulting number is divisible by 3, it is added to the result array. How it works is that the program processes the string in 5 steps: splitting it, summoning the digits, replacing the hash, checking divisibility, and storing the results. This ensures all valid replacements are identified. Let's analyze these examples. For 2 hash 0, replacing hash with 1, 4, and 7 produces divisible numbers. For 4 hash 2, replacing hash with 0, 3, 6, and 9 produces valid results. The ES6 version simplifies digit summation using filter and reduce. It's more concise and leverages modern JavaScript features for readability. To summarize, this program efficiently replaces hash in a string with digits to form numbers divisible by 3. It is a great demonstration of combining string manipulation with modular arithmetic. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more JavaScript tutorials. I'll see you in the next one.